Today we're diving into a world of creativity and indulgence as we craft a gemstone-inspired cream brulee. First, gently pour the melted jelly wax into your molds. Then, it's time to melt some more jelly wax for our cream brulee. Watch as it transforms from solid to liquid before your eyes. Next, place the molds on a flat surface and carefully layer in the melted jelly wax. It's a delicate process that requires patience and precision. After you've poured, grab your trusty heat gun to eliminate any pesky air bubbles. You'll find this step surprisingly therapeutic. It's like watching art being created right before your eyes. Once the wax has set and you can't wait any longer, it's time to unveil your masterpiece. Carefully remove the molds to reveal the crystal clear beauty of your handmade cream brulee. It's a sight to behold, glistening and perfect in every way. But we're not done yet. Let's whip up some piping wax to add an extra touch of elegance. With a steady hand, pipe on a swirl of delectable cream. It's the cherry on top, or should I say, the bow on the package. Speaking of which, don't forget to adorn your creation with cute mini bows for that final flourish.